Here's how to check if your monitor is 60Hz or 144Hz. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the system options of your monitor, PC, or laptop device. Once you're already on the system options, you will be able to see there the display, sound, notification, focus, and power options. So if you want to know about the HZ settings, you have to click on the display options where you can see there the display profile. After clicking on the display options, scroll down and you will see at the very bottom is the related settings where you can see there the display information and refresh rate. Now go ahead and click on the advanced display options. Once you already click on the advanced display options, you will see there the information that you have on your monitor. And as you can see, it supports under 143.97 Hz. So that is how to know what HZ does your monitor support.